confident, you know they envy you. Surround yourself, I can't get to you tonight. Not this time. Slip through my hands, how could I let you go? I can't fuck with this feeling. Need one more chance just to let you know that I want you for real. And yeah, getting under you is all I ever wanted. Getting under you is all I ever needed. Getting under you is all I ever wanted. Getting under you